Hey guys, it's Ken and Vu from Umbrella Houston Homes, and today Vu is going to be showing you guys a new community called Kirby Landing. Check it out.
Hi everyone, this is Vu. Today I'm going to show you guys this brand new community. It's called Kirby Landing. And few things about special about this community is this community is really near to the medical center and downtown. It only takes you guys only 15 to 20 minutes to drive. The second thing is we are in the gated community and it's really safe for the people to live in. And the starting price for this community is starting in between $350 to $48.
Being near the medical center and being in the gated community, it doesn't get better than that. And if you guys like our content and have been following on with previous videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. With that all said, guys, let's go check out the first home. Walk with us. Welcome on into our first home, guys. For this first home, right when you guys walking in, you're gonna notice the tile wood-like flooring, and on the right hand side you're gonna notice an office space that the sales reps are using. Typically this area would be used as the garage. On the first floor they're gonna have an office space that connects to the backyard and an additional bedroom with its own private bathroom. So those that have elderly folks that are staying with you, they can stay on the first floor. As we make our way into the second story, they install wood on the stairway, making the home look very luxurious. On the second floor is breathtaking, absolutely gorgeous, just based on the color scheme that they decided to use for the kitchen and living space and the furniture itself. The living room hosts a black accent chimney while the kitchen connects right next to it with dual color countertops, 60-inch cabinets. To sum up the second story, we have a separate area for a formal dining area, back patio, and a half bathroom that your guests can use. The final remainder of the home is upstairs with the two remaining bedrooms, each equipped with their own private bathrooms. The master bedroom is extremely gorgeous. It hosts a king-size bed with a black accent wall. Do not forget about the huge master closet. Wow, this home is absolutely gorgeous. Typically, I don't like 2 or 3 story homes, but this one really just blew me away. This home is called the Athena 2. It's a 3-story, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, or 3.5 bathroom, depending on if you guys decide to upgrade it or not. The square footage is 2,658 square foot, and the price is $480 for the base price. If you guys add on more upgrades, that could be anywhere between $20,000 to $30,000, and depending if there's a lot premium as well. As for incentive, it's pretty darn great. If you guys are planning on getting a home that they already built called an inventory home, they're gonna give you back $10,000 for closing costs or rate buy down, and an additional $10,000 for upgrades. As for if you guys want to build a home from the ground up with your own finishes and designs and everything, then that's only going to be a $5,000 incentive with a $10,000 upgrade. All right, guys, we are in the sales office now of K-Hove, and this is where we're currently located. The medical center is extremely close here, so if you guys are planning on buying an investment property or plan on living yourself, this is the perfect area to be in just because you're only 15 minutes away. Downtown is approximately 25 minutes away as well. And you got a bunch of grocery stores and restaurants only 15 minutes away.
Okay, first walk in the house, we're gonna have a small stair, and it's connected with another stair down there. This house looks like a maze, and it's gonna access immediately to the yoga room or the fitness room. They also have a full bathroom down here. Like whenever you're tired after the workout, you can access to the other bathroom and take a shower. Let's walk with me to the second story. And we will have really open concept living space, the living room, dining table, kitchen all connected. This house they have engineered wood entire the second story. One thing I really like about this house is they using all white cabinet and the white countertop for the kitchen. And let's walk with me to the third story. We have the master suite. Can fit the king bed size into this room. Really beautiful. They have his and her vanity, then a shower and a tub. One thing special about this house, they have a small balcony. You can do like a small breakfast or a small coffee. Okay, so how do you guys like about this house? This house called the Lincoln two bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3 story. The starting price is $388, not including the upgrade and the lot premium. And for this house, it's zoning to the Houston ISD, Reno Elementary School, Access Middle School, and the Woodland High School. The tax rate is 3.26%, and the HOA 1,200 a year.
That's about it, guys. For the first home, from a score from 1 through 10, I'll give that home approximately 8.3 out of 10, just because, I mean, the home, you guys seen it yourself, it's absolutely gorgeous. The material they use, the quality, it's all there. What about you, Vu, for the second home?
To me, I rated this house is 8 out of 10.
So 8 out of 10 for the second home, pretty good. We highly recommend you guys checking it out. And if you guys need any help, whether it's purchasing, buying, selling, or investing in the greater Houston area, our team would love to help. Unparalleled Houston Olds, out.